everyone, I am Hina Talati. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Millions under snow alerts as storm hits western New York in United States. Snow totals have reached 54 inches in Orchard Park, which is located about 15 miles south of downtown Buffalo in the United States, according to the latest snowfall reports out of region from the National Weather Service. 3 locations have met or exceeded 4 feet of snow. The persistent snow band will continue to produce snowfall rates of 3 to 3 inches per hour through the evening. Later tonight, the band will lift north into the downtown Buffalo, bringing heavy snow. NWS forecasters in Buffalo are calling for the additional 20 inches of the snow in the city. To Erie County, New York, residents have died after suffering cardiac events related to shoveling and blowing snow, county executive announced. An early winter lake effect storm dumped 5 feet or more of the snow on parts of the western New York State in the United States, disrupting travel on major roadways with the burst of icy powder blowing in from the Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. As temperatures plunge and heavy snowfall continues to pound these regions, 2 Erie County residents have died after suffering cardiac events due to the exertion while clearing the snow. High winds and snow-draped tree limbs and power lines knocked out electricity of thousands of utility customers, while the storm also forced closures along the New York Thruway and flight cancellations at Buffalo Niagara International Airport. About 6 million people in 5 Great Lakes states, from Michigan to New York, are under the snow alerts as reported by the reports. The squally could persist through Sunday, creating sporadic blasts of intense snowfall along the narrow bands in some locations south of Buffalo, according to the National Weather Service forecast. This is the highest 24-hour snow total ever recorded in New York State. Snowfalls of such proportions are not uncommon for western New York in November, when the relatively warm waters of the Great Lakes can mix with the frigid air in the upper atmosphere dropping down from the Arctic, according to weather services. The storm developed as temperatures for the region and much of the northern United States plunged 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit below the average for this time of the year. This comes a month after NOAA's 2022-23 winter outlook predicted drier than average conditions across the south, with wetter than average conditions for areas of the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes, Northern Rockies, Pacific Northwest, all of which are very typical for the La Nina patterns. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center said December-February temperature depicts elevated odds of the below normal temperatures over the northern United States, stretching from the Pacific Northwest to parts of the western Great Lakes. It's also favored for the Alaska Panhandle and southeastern parts of the Alaska. Above normal temperatures are more likely over the southwestern United States, stretching across the southern US and the northeast. The highest probabilities for the above normal temperatures are found over the Gulf Coast of the states. Over in Alaska, above normal temperatures are most likely over the northwestern parts of the state. The precipitation outlook for the same time 9 days period favors about normal precipitation over the Pacific Northwest through the parts of the northern plains, as well as over the Great Lakes and Ohio and Tennessee Valley regions, NOAA said. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.